Hi, this is Abid Kazmi for Desi TV USA, and here are the major headlines. The Department of Homeland Security has warned that the United States could face a heightened threat of domestic extremist violence for weeks from people angry at Donald Trump's election defeat and inspired by the deadly storming of the US Capitol. Officials have said about 5,000 troops will remain in Washington for the next few weeks when Trump will face his second impeachment trial in the Senate. US officials said they are facing several challenges in getting the majority of Americans vaccinated by summer. A senior advisory to the White House COVID 19 response team told reporters, "We are facing two constraining factors. The first is getting enough supply quickly, and the second is the ability to administer the vaccines quickly once they are produced and sent to the sites." Considerable challenges remain, ranging from faster spread virus variants, supply shortages, and public fears about the vaccine. Biden's administration has tried to address the latter problem by getting senior officials vaccinated in the public. The symbolic doomsday clock was set at 100 seconds to midnight on Wednesday as the University of Chicago time was unchanged from 2020 when scientists from the organization cited concerns over nuclear fear and climate change as factors in setting the clock to its most dire time since Cold War. President and CEO of Bulletin of the Atomic Scientist said last year's statement anticipated the denial of COVID-19 and refusal of political leaders to work together, which has led to 2.16 million coronavirus deaths worldwide. The organization has also pointed the contribution of false information and the embrace of conspiracy theory disseminated on the internet to the denial of science. The spread of COVID-19 and even violence such as the Capitol Hill riot. Strong winds caused a lot of destruction in Turkey, causing damage in the country's industrial zone. The black and white footage from a closed-circuit camera at an iron casting foundry showed parts of the metal stoves and chairs being blown off as people fled away. As far as for now, nobody is in the foundry was hurt. Turkey's disaster management and local authorities began conducting damage assessment in the area. Indonesia's Mount Merapi volcano on Java Island erupted on Wednesday, sending up a cloud of ash and prompting authorities to warn of the risk of lava flows reaching roads. Video footage shot by a local resident showed a flow rolling down the volcano and leaving a trail of thick ash cloud. The Mount Merapi is one of Indonesia's most active volcanoes and has already been on country's second highest alert level. There were no immediate reports of damage, but some residents had chosen to leave their homes. German midfielder Mesut Ozil said on Wednesday he would never again play for Germany's national team, which he quit 2 years ago over what he called racism and disrespect because of his Turkish roots, but he wished the team success in the future. Ozil was a key member of Germany's World Cup winning side in 2014. He resigned from the squad in 2018 amid a political debate in Germany about influx of immigrants and after a backlash over a photograph taken by Turkish President Tayyip Erdogan saying he faced racism and disrespect over his Turkish ancestry. Ozil had long been linked with a move to Fenerbahce, and his eventual transfer was lauded by Turkish media as one of the most significant transfers by a Turkish club in recent years. Thank you for watching. For more news and updates, please click on our link tree.